Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Sunday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to sort of today, guys. I just want to say happy Mother's Day. I hope you guys are enjoying spoiling yourself. You are having a great time. If you didn't get anything, it is fine, guys. You're gonna try next year, same time, So let's not be hard on ourselves, guys. It's not that deep. Our time will come. So anyway, guys, let's get to Musamsaleko. For those who have been watching Uthando Nesthembu from season 1 to season 4, we all know that Musamsaleko didn't like Usne, guys. Usne was not Musamsaleko's favorite. He used to drag Usne all the time, and people were feeling sorry for Usne. There was a time where people were complaining, Ogote agamposte Usne ingane zakasne akasithande. But kule season on Uthando Nesthembu season 9, especially on the previous episode, the guys, Musamsaleko said all the wives abused him while he was sick. According to him, the only person who stood by him, it was Ne, guys. He said that he will give Macele money to buy baby things for Sneh. He will take Sneh's side. He see Usne different right now. He will stand by her because she stood by him during hard times. So loyalty in this family now comes with a reward, guys. It means that if you support me, I will support you, guys. We all know that Usne bekakhala bambuza ukuthi ubani ubaba number 3, guys. Since she stood by Musamsaleko, it doesn't matter, guys. She will get her allowance, guys. Usne, she doesn't have to worry. So Usne posted few pictures, guys, and people are saying, right now Usne, she's enjoying the money that she was given by Musamsaleko, guys. Even Musamsaleko said that they need to know the father of the child, even though the father will never support the Lenkanaknandab is sick, guys. So he said a lot of stuff, but when it comes to money, Usne, she doesn't have to worry about anything. Musamsaleko will support Ingane Usne because Usne stood by him during hard times. So what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.